And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Now, just over a dozen members of Jamaica's delegation arrived in the Athletes' Village in Paris, France on Tuesday, ahead of the July 26 to August 11 Olympic Games in the French capital. Jordan Ford, who is in Paris, now gives us an update.
Bonjour from Paris, site of the Games of the 33rd Olympiad. In the background is a historic Eiffel Tower. And just across the bridge, beach volleyball will take place with one of the most picturesque backgrounds you are ever likely to see. I can tell you that 16 Jamaican athletes are expected to arrive in the Athletes' Village today. In fact, a number of those athletes have already arrived in Paris, and that includes two-time Olympic 100-meter champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Judoka Ashley Mackenzie, diver Yona Knight-Wisdom, and sprint hurdler Rashid Broadbell are also due in today. The majority of the nation's athletes are due in Thursday, following a pre-Olympic camp in Stuttgart, Germany, which ends Wednesday. In the meantime, Chef de Mission Ian Kelly says there are no Jamaican meals available within the village, but efforts are being made to accommodate the Jamaican palate.
Jordan, there's about 206 countries, which you can understand there are different cuisines. Jamaica has a certain palate. And surely there are some surprises that our athletes will see when they get here to Paris 24. I won't spill the beans, but I know that the leadership of the JOA is working hard to ensure that the different areas that will make our athletes comfortable, which includes the food, that we'll attend to those. And that's something that we have been looking at serious to ensure that they are comfortable.
From Paris, France, site of the 2024 Olympic Games, I'm Jordan Fort for TVJ Sports.